Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Nutrifresh. Today I'm going to tell you all how to make potato balls. So let's start. Firstly, I took gram flour half cup, baking powder half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, roasted and crushed dhania and zira powder 2 teaspoon, water as required. I'm gonna mix that. The consistency of the batter should not be too thick and too runny. It should be just perfect. Now, in a separate casserole dish, mix together mashed potatoes 2 in quantity, salt 2 teaspoon, roasted and crushed dhania and zira powder 2 teaspoon, red chili flakes 2 teaspoon, hara dhania chopped half cup, green chilies according to your taste, onion 1 medium size, chopped turmeric pulp 2 tablespoons. Mix that together. Okay, now I'm going to give them a shape of a ball. These potato balls turn out very delicious and are very easy to make. You can serve them with sauces on rainy days and they taste absolutely delicious. Once that's done, I'm going to coat it inside the batter that we made earlier. Now I'm going to deep fry it until the color changes to golden brown. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button and follow all my pages. Hope you all will have a great day. We'll see you all next time. Bye.